goes straight up. You got your 4-cylinder supercharged engine. Completely padded. With all Mercedes completely enclosed.
Does the heat blanket down here or sound attenuation?
That would be both heat and also to cut down road noise.
Those blankets really stop the heat and noise.
And you're looking at, 201 horsepower, but plenty of speed, and up to 37 miles per gallon.
Yeah.
There's very few cars that you're going to buy. In fact, I can't think of any other where we have 3 hood latches, safety catches, and all of the seams, everything is crafted with unbelievable precision.
Nice.